Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to see about the Harvard course CS50 web development and Python with JavaScript. Here we're going to see about the project zero, which is the first project in the course. Here we are asked to make some front-end application web page with with the use of Google search, Google image search, and a Google advanced search. So this is the web page have been designed, and here let's see it's working or not. So let us check the search console, and let me type Harvard. Let me search. So here we can see the few web pages of related to the Harvard University, and yeah, it's working. Let me go back, and as per the task given in the project description, we have made the nav bars of the images and the advanced search. So let me click the images. So here we can see the Google image search engine. So let me search for example, anything like the Prime Minister of India. So we can here we are able to see the pictures of the Prime Minister of India, which is none other than Shri Narendra Modi. So let me go back. It's working pretty fine. So by using the back console, we're coming back to our Google home screen. Now let us test the advanced search. So in the advanced search is nothing but searching through the keywords, which would be helpful to search each web page by using these keywords. For example, uh, we'll search our own course, so it would be easy for us to know how it's actually working. Let us suppose we're looking for an Harvard course, Harvard courses, and uh, for the phrase one, we can give EDX, and the for the specialization we can type web development in Python. Sorry. So by using the advanced search, now we can see the course provider EDX, which is providing with the same course. So this is the use of the advanced search. So now we can again go back to the Google console with the with the help of the navbar. So this is it. So this is the project given according to the seven tasks given in the CS50's description. And if you want the links of this project, you can go on to my GitHub account. I will link it in the description of the page so that it would be easy for you to follow it up. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much.